In the name of International News Media, this is Awi Berry welcoming you to another edition of Public Affairs. And I'm very excited and happy to present to you one of the very important people working on a cruise line. And this is Ross. Thank you so much for joining us today, Ross. Now, why don't you tell us your experience? How did you get to this job?
I get this job when way back in the Philippines. There's an agency that provide the people have experience in the hotel industry to get on board to the cruise line.
Okay. But did you have experience before?
Yes, I have experience in Diamond Hotel and Eurotel Hotel in Manila.
I see. And what are you doing right here on this cruise line?
I'm a stateroom attendant. I'm taking care of 16 cabin, me by myself.
Wow.
Yes.
That's quite difficult, huh?
It is. Sometimes it was a bit difficult, but as you do it every day, so it's getting.
That's right. One thing, you're hardworking.
Yeah.
That's right. That's very important. And you have good personality.
Thank you very much.
Yes. Now, how much do you enjoy the job and what do you like most about your job?
Well, I enjoy my job, just like working and the same time traveling all over the world, and then meeting every different nationalities, working with different nationalities
That's
on board,
right. That's right.
and then see some places that uh, unique places.
Yes. What destinations have you been to?
I've been to Norway, to Alaska, to Mediterranean, to Asia, Europe, South Africa, and then South America.
And what's your favorite destination?
My favorite destination when it comes to nature is Norway, some part of Alaska, and New Zealand.
And where do you want to go next?
I want to go next in Japan,
Oh,
but I
Japan.
never been to Japan.
What about Europe? Somewhere, other places in Europe
Other places in Europe, I've been to most of the places in Europe.
already?
Yeah,
Yes.
maybe Greenland.
That's
If they
right.
have an itinerary in Greenland.
Yes. Do you have time to get off the ship and then go around a little bit?
Yes, we have time to get off the ship, like 5 hours. In my
Yes.
department, because in the housekeeping we have a split schedule,
Right.
so we work morning and then in between, so we can go off.
Yes. Ross, you have a very nice job because like you travel around the world,
Yeah.
you meet a lot of good people,
Yes,
and you eat a lot of good food.
it is. Yeah. The authentic food
Yes.
from where I'm. We're
Right.
the destination,
Yes,
so we
that's
can go
right.
out and eat like in Italy, good pizza.
Yes. And even here on the cruise ship,
Yes, we
you have
have.
real good food. I'm
We
sure
have-
you're tired of the good food already.
We have a buffet downstairs in deck,
Ah.
and where we have a cafeteria.
That's right. So I'm sure that because of your job, you also get to miss special holidays, right, in the Philippines, and you're not
Yes.
able to spend your Christmas. How do you feel about that?
Well, I feel sad, but the same time, happy to, because I can provide them the things that if I'm in the Philippines, maybe
Yes.
I can provide, but not like.
Not like now that you're able to do, right?
Yes.
It's different. So, do you think you'll be working on the cruise ship for many, many more years to come?
I can see maybe 10 more years if I can, my kids is still on the
Yes.
school.
Yes.
So
And where do you want to retire?
when,
Where?
where? Well, I still in the Philippines.
I see.
Yes.
I was thinking you just be boarding the cruise ship and travel around.
Well, it depends what happens.
free, right?
Yeah,
That's
if it's
right.
free. If it is,
That's
I can, enjoy
Yes.
while you can.
What's that, right? What is your future dream? I mean, first, before that, tell me about your parents. How you were able to, well, learn so many things from them, lessons about life.
My parents is no longer existing.
Yes.
They're already passed away.
They passed away.
Yeah, but they already teach me how to, become more optimistic, in each and every way.
They taught you
need,
many things.
You need to think good things in many different situations.
Right, that's right.